Again, sa makinig kanan, ang good is more than just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol na nakapagtapos ko mo. All together, the hooding ceremony. And then this time, I want you to hug your nanay and tatay and whisper to their ears, "Tay, salamat kid. Hindi ko man siya mahambal all the time. But let it know na palangkat na ikaw." Sorry kung na isang napasaway ako tay or nanay. But today, I promise that I will do my best to help our family. You have to prepare place for your parents. Give them the link. They deserve that. And transfer your cup. Simbolo ka ng Ruado, and it is my prayer as your president. Kabay pa with your graduation, mag-graduate kita sa kapingaduhon, and you have actually to play a good role for that. This time, hug your parents once more.